Hi. In this video we'll be reviewing PDF.co Airtable plugin for PDF filler. This plugin gives the ability to add text or images into existing PDF. Let's get started. First step would be to add the PDF.co API key. This API can be obtained upon signing up to PDF.co. This is the main screen of PDF filler where we add configurations. In an Airtable grid, URL column contains a link to a PDF file. We'll try to add a text object and save to another column. After selecting the source table and field, we'll be adding text object details to be added. Here, we'll be adding text object details in specific format. All format-related details are given in the bottom part of the plugin. Now that we have all the details added, let's execute it by clicking the Run button. Upon completion of execution, we'll see a new file added in the output column. As we observe in the output PDF, it contains the text that we configured. Thank you for watching.